Hello everyone, welcome! Today we are going to talk about a product that will make your day-to-day life easier. The thermos bottle with thermometer has a capacity of 500 milliliters. In addition to being super elegant, it maintains the temperature of the liquid for 8 hours, has a touch thermometer on the lid, and is perfect for many occasions. Just touch the lid to know the temperature of the liquid. The thermometer's battery lasts a long time, but if you need to change it, I will show you how to do it. First, hold the bottle's lid firmly. The part of the bottle that has the thermometer has a slot to protect the internal mechanism. Carefully start to unclip the lid by pressing on the part with the thermometer. I ended up using a lot of force, but the product is resistant and is not easily damaged. After removing the lid, you will have access to the battery compartment located on the inside of the lid. And see which battery your bottle has. In my case, it was this lithium battery. You can change it without any specific tools. After changing the battery, just put everything back together, fitting it carefully. That's it for today, friends. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, give it a like, comment, and follow the channel for more tutorials. See you soon!